मोपा विमानतळ सुरू जायत सावन दाबोळी विमानतळावयले एअर ट्रॅफिक ल्हव ल्हव उणें जायत चल्लां. जायत्या विमान कंपन्यांनी आपले ऑपरेशन दाबोळीच्यान मोपा हालयलां. ताका लागून दाबोळी विमानतळावयले एअर ट्रॅफिक 15 ते 20% देंविल्ल्याचें विमानतळ संचालकान मान्य केलां. एअर ट्रॅफिक उणें जाल्लें आसलें तरी लेगीत दाबोळी विमानतळाचेर ताचो कसलोच परिणाम जावचो ना अशेंय तो सांगता.
Qatar Airways is an operator and they take their own decisions. We respect their decision. Daily one flight. Yes, certain operations got reduced because of that. Last financial year we handled around 8.4 million passengers. This financial year we'll be handling around 7 million passengers, around 7 million. So that
around 1 million passengers.
1.4 million passengers, maybe around 15-20% difference you will find. This Dabolim Airport will remain operational.
Okay.
And coming summer schedule will get additional flights to Dabolim. That's what we are expecting. So most of the charter flights operated here only. There is no such pressure, and many airlines prefer to travel, prefer to operate from Dabolim Airport. And it will come true. The day pass, we may get back the things.
Okay. And sir, any airlines has been in touch with you? Are you getting any intimation about, like how Qatar Airways has announced? So any domestic airlines are in touch with you? Are they complaining, or because there are rumors that some domestic airlines are also trying to move out of Dabolim?
As of now, nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
But other international flights are there.
Yes, we are having now Air Arabia, Air India Express is there, Gulf Air is there.
So any new sectors that are being joined, sir, for Dabolim Airport as of now? Because we have a
New
very
sector,
popular
I think March, Indigo is coming to Hyderabad, Goa, Pune, one sector. Again from two flights in this sector, they are operating.
Sir, now as of now
they will be operating, not now.
Okay.
In March.